DMAS needs you to move all of your files and folders from your personal network storage space, known as the N drive, to Microsoft OneDrive. This video will help you understand what you need to do to complete this process. First, we need to open Windows Explorer, also known as File Explorer, and see if OneDrive has been installed. If OneDrive has not been installed, it will look like this. Many of us don't have OneDrive installed, so let's do that now. Double-click OneDrive to start the install process. Several pop-up boxes appear where you need to enter information. This first one asks for your email address. Complete the following pop-ups. Once OneDrive is installed, it will look like this with your name and Commonwealth of Virginia displayed. Now we need to complete a process called Copy, Confirm, and Delete. In plain terms, we're going to copy our N drive files to OneDrive, then confirm everything has been copied, and finally we'll delete our original files on the N drive. Let's start by copying our files from the N drive to OneDrive. Find your N drive and the files and folders stored there. It's likely you will see other network drives in File Explorer. These can be ignored for now. It's a good idea to see how many files you have on the N drive so that you can compare this number to what ends up on Microsoft OneDrive. Select your files and folders, then right-click, then click Properties to see information about your files. Okay, now for the heavy lifting. We need to select the files and folders we're going to copy. Single-click these files and folders on the right side while holding down the Control button on your keyboard. With the files and folders selected, right-click, and then click the Copy icon in the context menu. Now we can paste the files and folders to OneDrive. Single-click your OneDrive folder. Now in the right window, right-click, then click the Paste icon. Your computer will start the copy process. You should see a new pop-up displaying the status of the files being copied to OneDrive. This process will take longer if you have a lot of data needing to be copied. Once the files and folders have been copied to OneDrive, you can confirm all the files have arrived safely. Single-click on the OneDrive folder and click Properties to compare information from the N drive reviewed earlier. Once you've confirmed all of your files have been safely copied to OneDrive, you should delete the original files on the N drive. To delete files and folders, select them by single-clicking or select multiple files and folders by holding down the Control button on your keyboard. Then you can right-click and select the trash can icon or simply press the Delete button on your keyboard. You can use Microsoft OneDrive just like the N drive, and you don't even have to be on the DMAS network or VPN to access your files and folders. Remember, it's against agency policy to share any sensitive files or data with others. In this training, we installed Microsoft OneDrive, copied files from our N drive to OneDrive, and deleted our original files on the N drive.